Welcome to News Nexus. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about topics in the financial world, Bitcoin and its role in the next financial revolution. In this video, we'll explore Bitcoin's origins, how it works, its potential to reshape global finance, and what the future may hold for this digital currency. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or new to the world of Bitcoin, this video will provide valuable insights into its transformative power. Let's start with a quick overview. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency created in 2008 by an unknown person or group using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, Bitcoin isn't issued by a central bank, and it operates on a peer-to-peer network without any intermediaries, such as banks or payment processors. In simple terms, Bitcoin allows people to send and receive money directly to each other over the internet, without the need for a trusted third party like a bank. It's based on a technology called blockchain, which we'll break down in just a moment. At the heart of Bitcoin is blockchain technology. But what exactly is blockchain? Think of it as a digital ledger or a database that records every Bitcoin transaction in a way that is secure, transparent, and immutable. Imagine it as a massive open spreadsheet shared across thousands of computers worldwide. Whenever someone sends Bitcoin, a new block is added to the blockchain. Once this block is confirmed by miners, the transaction becomes permanent. What makes blockchain revolutionary is its ability to ensure trust without the need for intermediaries. This has huge implications not only for Bitcoin, but for all types of digital transactions. Now let's talk about the current financial system. Today, global finance is largely controlled by central banks and financial institutions. These entities regulate the flow of money, set interest rates, and make decisions that affect economies worldwide. While this system has worked for centuries, it's not without its flaws. One major issue is that central banks have the power to print more money, which can lead to inflation. Additionally, access to banking services isn't universal, particularly in developing countries. Bitcoin, with its decentralized nature, offers an alternative to this centralized control and is sparking conversations about a more democratized financial system. So how does Bitcoin fit into the next financial revolution? There are several ways in which Bitcoin could disrupt and enhance global finance. First, Bitcoin offers financial inclusion to millions of people who are unbanked. According to the World Bank, over 1.7 billion adults worldwide don't have access to a bank account. With just a smartphone and an internet connection, anyone can send, receive, and store Bitcoin securely. This could be a game changer in developing regions where traditional banking infrastructure is lacking. Bitcoin gives people control over their money without needing to trust a centralized institution. Another key feature of Bitcoin is its potential as a hedge against inflation. Unlike traditional currencies, which can be printed at will by central banks, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. This scarcity makes Bitcoin an attractive store of value for investors looking to protect their wealth from inflationary pressures. As inflation rises in many parts of the world, Bitcoin's deflationary nature could make it a safe haven for individuals and businesses seeking to preserve their purchasing power. Bitcoin also plays a critical role in the burgeoning field of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is a movement that seeks to create open, permissionless financial systems built on blockchain technology. Bitcoin, as the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, is the foundation of many DeFi projects. From lending and borrowing to decentralized exchanges, DeFi is challenging traditional financial services by allowing anyone to participate without relying on banks. Bitcoin serves as the backbone of many DeFi applications, bringing more transparency, efficiency, and security to global finance. Of course, Bitcoin is not without its challenges. One of the biggest concerns is its scalability. As more people use Bitcoin, the network can become congested, leading to slower transaction times and higher fees. However, solutions like the Lightning Network are being developed to address these issues, offering faster and cheaper transactions. Another challenge is regulation. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. While some countries have embraced it, others have imposed restrictions or outright bans. The regulatory landscape is still evolving, but it will play a crucial role in determining how Bitcoin is integrated into the global financial system. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? As the technology continues to evolve, we're likely to see greater adoption across various industries. Many institutional investors, such as hedge funds and large corporations, are already adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. Companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy have made headlines for purchasing large amounts of Bitcoin as part of their treasury strategy. Additionally, Bitcoin's role as a store of value is becoming more widely recognized. It could eventually be used as a global reserve asset, alongside gold, offering a hedge against economic instability. In conclusion, Bitcoin's role in the next financial revolution is becoming more evident. From financial inclusion to acting as a hedge against inflation, Bitcoin is challenging the traditional financial system and paving the way for a decentralized future. While challenges remain, the potential for Bitcoin to reshape global finance is immense. Whether it becomes a mainstream currency or remains a store of value, its impact will be felt for years to come. Thank you for watching this deep dive into Bitcoin and its role in the next financial revolution. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to News Nexus for more insightful content. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about Bitcoin's future? Will it revolutionize global finance or face major obstacles? We'd love to hear your perspective.